Well, hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. It's April. Can you believe it? I can't believe it. April 1st, April Fool's Day, but there will be no fooling on today's video because today I'm giving you the absolute favorite products that you guys told me about and that I reviewed on the channel in this video. Okay, well, this March is a lot different than last March when we were all locked in our houses and couldn't go anywhere. In fact, just yesterday, I got my vaccination and I feel great. It's fine. All is good. Just a little sore arm. Also, you may have noticed that I'm not in the studio. I am out here in the kitchen filming today because there's a sinkhole outside of the house and it's very noisy, and I hope that if you hear any kind of weird noises, you'll know that that's in the background. I'll try to remove them from the video, but it's very difficult to do. But I still wanted to get a video out to you guys about the March favorite products. Anyway, we talked about a lot in March. We talked about a lot of mature skin issues, from how to correct and tighten up saggy skin to how to keep these hands beautiful looking in this age of completely constant hand washing and hand sanitizer. I also talked about common skincare products that we all use that are toxic to our pets, as well as some newer products that I just reviewed on the channel. Now, I will put the individual links to the videos from March down in the video description box, as well as the products that made it onto the March favorite list. So all you got to do is click that little down arrow under the right side of the video, and it will open up the video description box and you'll see it all there. So if you missed a video, you'll be able to see it down there. And of course, there are always the playlist on the channel. The first favorite product on the March list comes from both my experience with it over 30 years, so it's not a new product, and your response to it, those of you who have been using it. I got a phenomenal positive response when I did this video, and that was on Alpha Skincare's AHA skincare line. Now, Alpha Skincare has been around for a long time. As I said, over 30 years I've been using this product. This one in particular, the Alpha Skincare 14% Glycolic Renewal Serum, is one that I talk about on the channel a lot, but featured it this last month in March. You guys that have been using it found it's giving you phenomenal results. It does for me as well. Definitely on my favorite list. Will probably show up on another month as a favorite, but it really is a great product, so I was happy to be able to pick this one for the list. The next product that I reviewed new on the channel was this one, and it was for dark circles and the hollowed out look under our eyes. And this is number 7's Dark Circle Corrector, and I just love the formulation of this product because it is quite unique. It has great ingredients in its formulation of hyaluronic acid, marine algae, which has been proven to help brighten and tighten the skin under the eyes. Also, it has skin brightening ingredients that work over time. Now, the great thing about this product is you don't have to wait to get some coverage because it has a very light amount of tint, and I demonstrated that in the video on this product. Again, that'll be listed below. Just a great product. It's very soothing to the eye area, non-irritating, and a lot of products can be irritating to the skin under and around the eyes. So very happy with this. Guys can use it, gals can use it. It will help cover those dark circles instantly while giving the ingredients in the product time to work. Now, from the best way to use retinol video that we did back in March, there was a product that I introduced that I really liked, and I've gotten a lot of feedback from you guys that is working very well for you, and that is the Serum Retinol Renewing Serum. It is an encapsulated formulation, which means it delivers the ingredients that are in the formulation to your skin on an ongoing basis. And I like things like suspensions and encapsulations because they're generally milder on the skin. You don't get that bang effect the minute you put it on your skin, but you're getting a constant and consistent delivery of ingredients into the skin, which I think is a better overall approach to skincare anyway. Now, the retinol in this formulation also has hyaluronic acid, ceramides, and niacinamide, all which are going to be very, very hydrating to kind of offset any dryness that retinol would create on your skin. Really good product. I'm actually using this one on other areas of the body like my knees and arms that need that little extra pump of retinol to stay youthful looking and tight. Really great product. Happy to add it to the March list. Now, there are 3 other products that made the list, not because I featured them so much this month or because I talk about them a lot, but the feedback that I got from you guys both in the video comments section on YouTube and over on the Skin So Fabulous blog and community, which, by the way, if you've not done that, be sure and go and sign up for that free community. You're able to direct message me back and forth for skincare topics, issues, problems, whatever. We have a really good time over there, so I will link to that also down below in the video description box. But it's basically my blog where we all just kind of hang out and talk skincare. So the 3 products that came up the most with positive feedback overall was first, Olay's Regenerist Retinol 24 Night Serum. Everybody seems to be loving this. It's working well for their skin. I talk routinely about this product on the channel. So again, if this is something you're interested in, check out the link below and go read about the benefits of this particular retinol product. Now, the next product that came up is one of my absolute all-time favorites. So it may be on the list every single month until I replace it with something better, which is going to be hard to do. And that is the Inkey List Collagen Booster, the tripeptide formulation that almost everybody who gets this product absolutely loves it. I get comments after comments after comments. I love it too. I would bathe in it if it didn't come in such a small amount. However, it does really do a great job sparking collagen production. It's something that you're going to see results in after a couple of weeks of use. It's very, very inexpensive for a collagen product. So again, very happy to have this one on the March favorite list. Not surprised that you guys love it so much. And then this one will be absolutely no surprise to any of you who follow me or watch the videos, and that is the overall moisturization product, Neutrogena's Hydro Boost for extra dry skin. Fragrance-free product. Love it, love it, love it. I recommend it to all of my clients who are looking for a general moisturization product that has moisturization. Where did that come from? A general moisturizing product that has hyaluronic acid in a potent formulation. And this is it. It's very acceptable to all skin types, even oily skin. So I really, really am happy that I have this on the March favorite list. It's probably going to stay on the list for a while, just simply because no one's come up with a better formulation to me that works across skin types without irritation and can really help hyaluronic acid work on the skin because of the ingredient mix, because you can't put just plain hyaluronic acid on your skin. It draws moisture. So if you live in a dry climate, or you're in air conditioning, or you're in heat still somewhere in the world where you're still having to run the heat because of winter weather, hyaluronic acid can actually dry your skin out and give the opposite effect. So you always want it in a formulation that has humectants, dimethicone, glycerin, things that will help protect the skin and trap the hyaluronic acid down in the skin cells where they can do the best work. Now, there are a lot of great video topics that you guys have given me that there will be videos coming out on this month of April. So if you're not subscribed, please do that now. Hit that subscription button and that little notification bell so you know when my new videos come out each week. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video today, sort of a March recap with favorite products. I'm going to probably do this every month. If you like it, please be sure and give the video a like and comment down below and let me know. Also, be sure to check out the videos that are coming up next because they will help you perfect your skincare routine for your skin type. That way you'll get your best skin ever. Thank you guys so much for watching and supporting the channel. You know how much I appreciate it. I love you. Stay beautiful, and I'll see you over on the next video.